Good morning, everyone. Students, today we are in the business studies class. We are studying the chapter small business. Small business, you all know that this form of business that it doesn't require much capital investment and it doesn't require much technology, and even it can be started by the limited resources. So the small business is playing a very important role in the economic development of the country. It also plays important role in the rural areas of the country, that is in rural India. So what was the role of small business in rural areas of the country? We are discussing today. The role of small business in rural India. The first is employment opportunities. Students, you all know that small business plays a very important role for giving employment to number of people. Like in rural areas, backward areas where the people are not educated, not so educated, and they are poor also. So there, if we are starting the small business, so it will be helpful in providing employment opportunities to the number of people. Like in villages, there are khadi industries are there, cottage industries are there, and other small scale industries are there, which are providing employment to number of people because they are labor intensive. So these industries are helpful in providing employment opportunities, generation of employment in rural areas. So this is the importance of small business in rural areas. Next is it prevents migration to urban areas. Students, you all know that in our country, the people are migrating from rural areas to urban areas in search of jobs, in search of better standard of living. So, when the people of the rural areas, if they are shifting, they are migrating towards urban areas, so there also the poverty will spread, because there also they are not able to get the employment. They are poor, they are illiterate, they are not skilled. So it is not easy to get employment in urban areas for them, so it increased the poverty in our country. So instead of migrating the people from rural areas to urban areas, they should find himself jobs in rural areas only, so that their economic condition will be improved. So when we are starting more and more small scale enterprises in rural areas, it helps in preventing the people to migrate urban areas. मीन्स अगर आप देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे अगर रूरल एरियाज में ही, बैकवर्ड एरियाज में ही, इन विलेजेस, इफ वी आर स्टार्टिंग द नंबर ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल एंटरप्राइजेस, जब जितनी ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट होंगी उतना ही लोग जो है वो शहर की तरफ जो माइग्रेट करते हैं वो कम हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स स्मॉल बिजनेस हेल्प्स टू प्रिवेंट माइग्रेशन from the people from rural areas to urban areas, because they are getting jobs in rural areas only. वहीं पर उनको जब जॉब्स मिल जाएगी, उनकी सारी सुविधाएं मिल जाएंगी, तो दे शुड नॉट शिफ्ट from rural areas to urban areas. So small business is helpful for preventing people to migrate rural areas from urban areas. Next is improves economic condition. Small scale enterprises are also helpful in improving the economic condition of the people in rural areas, because if the people find jobs, if the people will get jobs in small scale industries, so their earning will be increased and they will get a continuous source of income will be there, and then in this way their economic condition also improves. And when the economic condition of the rural areas improve, तो automatically the country's economic condition will also improve. So small business जो है वो गांव में, रूरल एरियाज में इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस को भी इम्प्रूव करता है, कि वेयर द पीपल दोज हु आर अनएम्प्लॉयड, दोज हु आर नॉट गेटिंग वर्क देयर, सो दे कैन डू वर्क इन दीज इंडस्ट्रीज, they can easily get the jobs in these industries, and then they will get a earnings every month, regular earning every month, and in this way their economic condition will improve. Next is rural development. Small business is also helpful in the rural development of the country. If we are thinking of the rural development, the development of the backward areas, development of rural areas, it is possible only when we are starting small businesses in those areas. अगर वहाँ पर इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट होंगी तो their production will start, people will get employment, and also their standard of living increases, their economic condition will improve, and in this way it increases the rural development also. If their business will be started, so the infrastructure also increase, like the electricity will be there, clean drinking water facility will be available, roads should be good, and transportation means of communication should improve. तो जब बिजनेस स्टार्ट होगा, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन पॉसिबल होगा रूरल एरियाज में, बैकवर्ड एरियाज में, और इस तरह से हम रूरल डेवलपमेंट के बारे में भी सोच सकते हैं. तो जितना ज़्यादा स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज स्टार्ट होंगी, इतनी ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होगा. वी आर नॉट हैविंग शॉर्टेज ऑफ गुड्स in rural areas. We will produce more of the goods, and it will increase the productivity in our country, and also the rural development will be possible only when we are starting number of small scale enterprises, number of small businesses in India. When the small business will be there, so the people will be get employment. In this way the rural development will takes place. So student, this is the importance of small business in rural areas or in rural India. Rural India, you all know that India is a country of villages. Maximum part of our country is rural areas, and that is why if we want to the progress of the country, we have to first think about the development of rural areas, and this rural development is possible only when we are starting number of small scale enterprises in these areas, and with the help of these industries, these small scale business, we can increase the employment opportunities in those areas. एंड इट ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट्स माइग्रेशन टू अर्बन एरियाज. लोग जो अपना गांव छोड़ के शहरों की तरफ आ जाते हैं, वो अब नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि वहीं उनको जॉब्स मिल जाएंगी, एंड इट इम्प्रूव्स द इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन ऑफ द पीपल ऑल्सो. एंड लास्ट इज द रूरल डेवलपमेंट विल बी पॉसिबल ओनली when we are having number of small scale businesses in rural areas, and industrialization will be only possible when we are having when we increase the number of small scale industries in rural areas.